YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? What is going on? What is popping, guys? Well, it has been a very fantastic Monday morning so far. Very fantastic. Well. What I will be looking here, on the stock side is going to be TLRY. TLRY. That is what I will be looking at right now. From the look of things, we were beaten down when this stock actually got to the $300 level back in the day, and all of a sudden, the stock did push higher after the election. Okay, to about close to about $70 pre-market and all that. Now let's look at the long-term chart on TLRY. Now you see how TLRY actually, when they IPO and all that, stock started pushing higher and higher and higher. All of a sudden it sold back. The stock got close to, it got to the $300 level, and then we started pushing back and pushing back and pushing down all the way down to $2.43. Okay, so ever since then I've been waiting for a move higher on TLRY, and the move never came. Months passed, weeks passed by, months passed by, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now I was like, okay, let me look at what kind of time frame I will focus on. So I focus on the daily, and I said, okay, I will be expecting a move higher above the 200 SMA. So when we push above the 200 SMA, I did hold for a long period of time, and then we got this move higher to it was about $70 pre-market and all that. So I did capitalize a lot on the gain, even on the option side and on the put side as well. So now I'm expecting a drastic move on TLRY as well, with the deal with APHA. Okay, so the area for TLRY right now is this spot. This is our support right now on TLRY, and you see every time we bounce back to TLRY, we reject that support to push higher. So I'm expecting another push higher on TLRY in the days to come. This will be on my favorite list as well. However, let's look at the stock chart. Stock chart is coming up with 46% on the RSI. Okay, and what we're looking at here is the 20 and the 50 EMA. Right now we are actually flirting around the 50 EMA to push higher. If we can cross this 50 EMA, we should be able to get our 20 EMA and to the upside of price target of $30. This will be our immediate resistance, $30, $29-30 per share. So now our RSI, our MACD is okay. We just need more volume to come into the name TLRY. Okay, so with this TLRY comes 144 million in short float, shares float. Short float is 19%. Okay, so I think when this gets going, when the short starts covering, it's gonna take off. Okay, our standing shares is 171 million. Okay, there's no detail on the beta. We can check market watch later, but we have sales about 200 million in sales. Book to share ratio is 2.6. Is optionable and is shortable as well. Overall is a 4 billion market cap on TLRY. Okay, so the good thing about this stock is a marijuana stocks. Okay, we're just waiting for a situation whereby they enact a law or make it recreational recreationally legal. Okay, so nationwide. Okay, it says on February 27, Virginia lawmakers even green lighted legislation that will legalize recreational marijuana by 2024. So for me, what I'm thinking about TLRY, I'm not thinking about TLRY in the short term. I'm thinking about TLRY in the long term. Okay, in the long term, that's what I'm thinking about. It is a Canadian company. Okay, it's a Canadian company. So for now, the thing about TLRY as well is, according to the CEO, he says we truly establish ourselves as the largest wholesaler of branded cannabis products in the industry, according to their CEO. So with this being said, the company reported a $162 million that topped expectation, and also reported adjusted EBITDA of about $50 million. So with that being said, it is very critical and important that no matter what happened, look at the chart. Look at this chart. Look, just let's blow it back up. Okay, we got to $300 per share couple of months ago. Okay, so I'm expecting at least a retracement back to the mean, the replacement back to at least the middle of this chart. Okay, this is the area I want the stock to be trading at some point in time. Okay, we tried as much as we can to get to $70, but it couldn't hold. It couldn't hold. We got sold off. Now with the New York with New York as well trying to legalize marijuana, you know, it is very important for you to keep an eye on TLRY. You can keep an eye on TLRY, you can keep an eye on CDC, ACB, APHA, you know, SNDL. SNDL is another one that has been really manipulated as well. SNDL is a very small price stock. Okay, look at the highs on SNDL, 13.22, and right now we're trading at $1.11. So but with that being said, I think if this 200 SMA holds, we should be able to push higher. We just need to trade above this level, just like we did on TLRY. Okay, look at TLRY. We were trading right above the 200 SMA, and guess what happened? This movement happened. Okay, so now on SNDL as well, I'm expecting the same action, though this video is about TLRY. Okay, so I like the sentiment about TLRY. We just need to reclaim that $25 area, and then we should be able to push higher. I do like the float. I do like the short interest on TLRY right now. If you see here, for the past last 50 days, short percentage 51. So we've been dropping, you know, consistently. We've been dropping so far on it, though we have about, let's say, 40, 30, we have about 40% of increase in the short position. But if you look at it, it's been steadily decreasing for the past couple of days. So I'm expecting a move in the near future on TLRY. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a professional and financial advisor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to an exciting future where we'll make money and do great together. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye.